Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. So today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. Also, I will touch on the DeFi, decentralized finance, Ethereum 2.0, and of course, Hester Pierce. She is the crypto mom. She is also the SEC commissioner. He talked about there's some new guidance for DeFi and the future Ethereum projects. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. For my Patreon member, I did a Bitcoin update as well as a silver update probably 2 weeks ago at least, I think last month. And also I talk about two coins that has the similar potentials as Tezos and Chainlink. Of course, there's also some. I talk about which gold and silver coin has high resale value. If you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. And let's talk about the Bitcoin. So, and of course, I in my previous video, I told everybody that I also post a video in Rumble as well because right now there's too much censorship in YouTube. So I also post it there as well. If you're interested, you can click the link below and join Rumble as well. I think even by watching video, you can also earn some reward as well. So you can click the link below to join the Rumble. It's free anyway. So let's talk about Bitcoin. So Paul Tudor Jones right now endorsed Ethereum. I'm not surprised because Ethereum is the DeFi, decentralized finance, will be kick off the next bull cycle, right? The bull market cycle. And everybody going to Bitcoin and they're looking for alternatives. It will be Ethereum or Litecoin, right? But the Litecoin, I don't see any much development. They always talk about like Bitcoin is a digital gold and Litecoin is the digital silver. Ethereum, they talk about Ethereum is like other metals like platinum for Ethereum. Ethereum, the thing is, Ethereum you can run smart contract, but Bitcoin you can't run smart contract. You don't have that capability. So, so I'm not surprised. Now, Paul Tudor Jones, in case you don't know, he is a hedge fund manager and he is a billionaire as well. And now he endorsed Ethereum. I'm not surprised at all. I mean, right now the crypto market is in a boom. Is at the very beginning of the bull market cycle anyway. And of course, they talk about he talked about different. He talked about Bitcoin had the wrong market cap in comparison to equities and fiat currency, suggesting that they believe that the crypto there's a huge crypto growth potential. That's what he's trying to refer to. He also mentioned Ethereum and Tether as the two other prominent cryptocurrency, but I'm not sure about Tether though. Tether is pretty shady because in terms of whether I'm not sure in terms of their accounting standard, I don't know if they are really backed by US dollar, to be honest with you, or just a printing press by the exchange, right? Like Bitfinance, Binance, and all that. And they're not very open in terms of like how much they really own, right? So I don't trust Tether, to be honest with you. So he also talk about he also talk about different metals. Bitcoin represent a precious metal because of the digital scarcity, and of course because after the halving, you are like your reward is cut by half. It's like 12.5, 6.25, and then the next halving is even less. So there's only scarcity. This is like a deflationary model. It's not inflationary model like XRP. XRP is like printing like crazy too, right? So, or fiat currency, right? So he also talked about Ethereum because Ethereum, you have to use Ethereum to interact with the networking the network using the programmable smart contract. Because if you want to run a smart contract, you have to pay the gas in order to go through the smart contract, especially when you are playing the Uniswap, DeFi, decentralized finance, all this VS, all this smart contract, you have to pay gas, to be honest with you. Yep. So that's why those have to Ethereum. It's not like a Neo. They have a gas and Neo. They have two coins, right? Neo and gas. So you have to pay gas to run the network, And Ethereum, they don't have separate two coin. Ethereum is Ethereum. So if you want to finish your transaction, you have to pay Ethereum. Otherwise, it won't go through the transactions. And this is also reward the miners as well. And so basically talk about digital gold and also just like platinum. I'm not surprised. I mean, and he also talk about the internet stock bubble. You still remember in the 90s, you have a dot-com boom bubble. The dot-com, this is a boom and bust cycle. And if you still remember the World Wide Web, there's a speculative maniac for the internet related stock, right? Do you still remember that? I think we are at the very beginning stage of the cryptocurrency. We are just very, very infancy. So he's comparing the crypto space just like the internet stock landscape in the 90s. So, but we are at the very beginning at this time right now, to be honest with you. You are very early in the game. And of course, he talked about digital currency will be the widespread adoption in the next 2 decades. Cash will be gone. And I'm not surprised. I mean, even in China, they're already using the WeChat Pay, Alibaba, Alipay, and then you have Tencent Pay. So you don't even bring cash at all. Everything is digital. And of course, so he said at the time, BTC represent 1 to 2% of his investment portfolio. It's like very minimal because his estimated net worth is 5.8 billion. So right now he's bullish on Ethereum. So I'm not sure it may pump the price again, right? Once he said that, just like before Bitcoin, like when he talked about that, it pumps again. So the thing is, right now at this time we are in extreme greed. I don't think it's a good time to get in. Not a financial advice once again. If you 93 is pretty much all-time high because back in I think last time it was at this high is 95 is back in June, the end of June 2019, and basically the Bitcoin pump all the way from 6,000 to 14,000. If you still remember, it's pretty much non-stop. It just within a month, it pumps like crazy. I think it's very similar situation within a month with pumping like crazy. And if you look at this, if you get this all together like that, I don't know how long it will last. Maybe, based on the last time like this, it will go down, and based on like this for quite some time, it will go up. So you can see the pattern. If it's like this, it probably will go down. But not a financial advice. Use your due diligence, okay? And in terms of the DeFi, decentralized finance project, and Ethereum 2.0 already launched, basically. And so right now already launched, but the sharding will not complete until 2021. What do you need to do? I will continue this video in Rumble, so you can follow me on Rumble. Yeah, you can follow me on Rumble because I don't want to put all the video in YouTube just in case YouTube shut me down. And you can find me in Rumble as well, because you never know. Because like right now, basically, if you talk about some sensitive topic, you probably potentially get banned. And free strike, you're out, right? So I don't want to taking this risk anymore. And plus, I cannot say things freely on this platform, so I move on another platform. So you can also find me on Rumble, and also you can click the link below and see me over there. And once again, thank you for supporting my channel, and I will continue to provide quality videos for my subscriber. And of course, remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risks. Please use your due diligence. And of course, this is not a financial advice, and this video is only for entertainment and informational purpose, not a financial advice. Please consult with your financial planner. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon, and also you can follow me on Rumble as well. And peace out.